Hello and welcome to Night Office Solutions how-to videos. Today we're going to discuss how to fix paper jams and misfeeds in mid-volume linear machines. These instructions also apply to Ricoh and Savin models. Improperly adjusted paper guides in the paper tray are one of the most common reasons for jamming and misfeeds. To check your guides, first pull out the corresponding paper tray and look to see if the paper is seated flush against the guides and the side of the tray. If it is not, adjust the guides using the green tabs. When you experience a jam, check the paper path on the display to identify the area in which the jam occurred. Then, open the appropriate door. Remove any visible jams by engaging the green indicators at the side of the jam. If you are removing a jam from the fuser section, please note that the fuser can get extremely hot. Be careful when removing jams in this area. If necessary, power off the machine and wait a few minutes while the fuser cools down. Then safely remove the jam. When removing jams, take care not to use any sharp objects that could damage the fuser. Grip the paper causing the jam and pull it out slowly in the direction of the paper path. When the jam is removed, make sure all guides are closed back into place and close the door. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it has helped you to learn how to fix and prevent paper jams and misfeeds. If you have any more issues, please feel free to call our customer service specialist at 210-340-8909 and we'll be happy to help you out with any of your service needs.